Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Tuesday, December 14, 2021. The markets opened weak this morning, and we saw an early attempt higher that has since failed. We've turned and made it back down towards the lows of the days, where we are holding just a little bit off the lows early into the afternoon session. So this is the S&P chart right here. We've got about 56 points of range there. You can see a nice pop off the open, but failed, rolled over, and now going sideways. So what we're going to look at this afternoon is what this type of weakness has led to when tomorrow is the FOMC announcement day. So weekday forming ahead of the FOMC announcement. All right, I've got all four instruments selected here. We've got a 3 p.m. entry set up as a long that'll exit at 4:15 p.m. Eastern time. Now we're seeing weakness this morning and into the afternoon session. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say that we are trading below the prior day closing price. I'm going to go to intraday close versus daily levels. I'm going to hit equals next to below prior close. And I'm also going to say we are trading below the open. Both of those things are currently true. We'll see if they're true or not at 3 o'clock, but currently they are true. All right, next I want to put us in a similar market environment. We are above a 10 and above a 200-day simple moving average. And then lastly, in the market events, we are the day before the FOMC announcement. I'm going to grab that from the active today section. I'm going to click on day before FOMC announcement. There it goes. Now I can click view results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 3 p.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. When tomorrow is the FOMC announcement, you're in a bull market environment, and you're seeing weakness, which I've described as trading below the open and below the prior closing price at 3 o'clock. Historically, we've got 26 samples for this day, going back to 2003 for the S&P. There's 22 for the NASDAQ, 24 for the Dow, 26 for the Russell. Win rates on these mostly coming in favored, with S&P at 62%. NASDAQ's the only one that's not favored. It is 50% exactly. The Dow, 67%. The Russell, 65%. So most of those favored into the 60s there. If we look at the average moves, S&P average win just a touch larger than the average loss. The NASDAQ has a larger average win. The Dow has a slightly larger average win, and the Russell has a larger average loss. So 3 out of the 4 instruments have larger average wins, and 3 out of the 4 instruments have win rates at least in the 60s here, which just means that 60% of those have closed above the opening or above the open of that 3 o'clock candlestick. So they close higher than that 3 o'clock price. So hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today, and we will see you next time.